Alright, after many failed attempts of making a video, I'm going to make this one. So, here's my 20-gallon setup, or 20-gallon long. I'm getting a 20-gallon Repti carpet. I only have this 10, so I put in paper towel on this side. So, that's just for these 2 days, unless I can go today, which I probably won't, but you never know. My female ate 6 crickets last night, and my male I think only ate 2, but that's understandable because he's new. Could be a little stressed. But he did try to get on her last night a couple times, but she didn't feel like it, so she ran off. Let me get the lid off a little bit. Alright, so my female's usually in this one, my male's in that one over here, but they did get in this one at the same time a couple times. So that's the male Blazing Blizzard. Oh crap, he's holding onto the paper towel. Alright, I got him. I don't know why, but he stays on the cool side. But whatever. He hasn't bitten me or anything. Hold on a second, I'll try and pick him up. I don't know if you can see or not. I'll try and swing around here over to my desk. And that eye is very, very good. The other side, it's, I set him down. Alright, it's not moving. This one is really black. Oh crap. He's trying to run away. I haven't really taken him out much for handling, but he's pretty good already. He hasn't jumped or tried to jump. Alright, he's not getting off my hand. Alright, finally. So he's going up there. I'm gonna set his coconut back if I didn't already. Alright, so I'm gonna try and move it closer to the warm side, because he's been spending way too much time on the cool side, and I don't really like him over there. It's, when I pick him up, he seems like almost freezing, so I'm just gonna move a little bit closer. Maybe it'll stay warmer or something, but, I'm not gonna keep him that close. I'm gonna try and do something, but, the female's in that. I'll show you her. And there she is. So, I'll see you guys later.